What happened sa meeting na yan?
They asked po about the liquidation process po ng confidential fund and yung mga supporting documents po na required with respect to the liquidation documents po.
Okay. Sinabi mo, before I go to the next question, sinabi mo na nandun din si Attorney Zulaika Lopez.
Sa pagkakaalala ko po, yes po.
Okay. Do you know? Did you know then who she was?
Nagpakilala po siya sa amin as the Chief of Staff of the OBP po.
Chief of Staff of?
The Office of the Vice President.
Ano naman ang connection niya, if at all, sa DepEd?
Hindi niya po, wala po siyang sinabing na connection niya with the DepEd.
Okay. Ngayon naman, Mr. Witness, tell us what transpired, if you recall, of that meeting sometime in September.
They asked po about the liquidation process po nung cash advances as well as kung ano po yung mga supporting documents required.
And anong sagot? Tinanong nila kung anong mga requirements.
They were referred po
Hindi nila alam ang mga requirements para sa...
They clarified po kasi may mga agencies din po na nagka-clarify sa amin about requirements ng joint circular since it is very technical po.
At ano naman ang sagot ninyo?
They were referred po by Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras to the joint circular for the specific requirements.